In this session, I will show you how to inquire on payroll history. The program that is used in inquiring payroll history is under Inquiries and Correction pull-down menu, and it's called Pay History Inquiry. This program allows you to inquire on all the pays for a specific customer as long as they have not been purged. This program allows you to inquire on department or employee or a combination of both. For this exercise, we're going to inquire an employee 200. So the program goes into query mode right away. So we just have to provide the employee code in here. If we don't know the employee code, then we go to list of values and select the employee that we want to inquire on. So for this exercise, we're going to inquire an employee 200, John Smith. So we select this employee from the list of values. We click OK to confirm that that's what we want. And then we click OK, and then we execute query by clicking on this execute query button. And here the application will display all the pays for this employee. The first one is April 14th. It's telling us it's a negative, so I think this one was check void for this pay 14th of January 01. So if we want to see the details of this pay, then we go to that record, we position our cursor there, and we go and click at the details button, and this should bring us to another screen that will show us a more detailed picture of this pay period. So let's try doing that one, and in here it brought us to another screen showing the a more detailed picture of that pay. So in here we can go to the scheduled screen if we want, and it will show us the different deductions for this pay period. We can close this, so we can go to the miscellaneous deduction screen also. There was no miscellaneous deduction for this employee for that pay period. We would go to the benefits, and this will show us the benefits that were taken in that pay period, or benefits for that pay period, and also miscellaneous pay, if there are any. Yes, there was a miscellaneous pay for that pay period for this employee, but bear in mind that this is a reversal of one of the pay period, because this was a void pay. So if we want to go back to the pay history inquiry, we just have to close this screen, and it should bring us back to that one. And again, we are back in here. This program basically displays all the summary information about that pay. So in here, the gross pay is displayed for this period, the federal tax that was taken for that pay period, the CPP and EI. There was no EI that that was taken for that employee in that pay period. This is the deduction totals, the benefits total, vacation paid for that period, the net pay for that pay period, and the CPP earnings and QPP earnings if there are any. And this screen is very helpful if you are looking for something like historical pay for an employee. This concludes our tutorial on how to inquire on historical pay for employee or for a department.